What's up, Sneakerholics? It's your boy CHARLESTON bringing you another how to lace video. So in this video, we'll be lacing up the Nike SB Dunk lows. So without further ado, let's get the unlacing. Now that we're unlaced, I get my lace tips, get them together, get them even, make sure everything is even and flat. And then the first way I'm gonna show you is how to lace them loose. So here we go. And I always go out of the over and out with my laces. And this the lacer, you can lace it loose, you can lace it to tie. So this is loose. This is loose with the tie. Or you can lace not the tie. It's another option. And all you do is have to bring it over to one of the holes. And once you get it in, you just tuck that behind the tongue. Like so. And this will be the loose, not the tie option. So that's the loose the tie, loose not the tie option. Here's another way where you can, so with this option is the same way, but you just tighten it up a little bit. See many people use like low funky way I learned back in the day. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so with this option, you will this time how we was lacing over and out, we'll go inside the shoe this time. We're gonna take one of these bottom holes or the side hole. You wanna come in. This is crucial that you come in as neat as possible, as straight as possible as well. So you have that coming in. Let's up a little bit. Have this coming in as well. Boom. So that's how it'll come in this time. So with this, what we'll be doing is taking this. And we're gonna go across to this hole right here. So you take it across. Like so. Come back over. And take the on top this time. Same thing, making sure everything is neat as possible. Boom, like that. You come across again. This time you hit the bottom hole. You go in. You're already straight, so you should be able to just slide right in. Boom. Like so. I'm gonna do it on this side as well, real quick. So something you can add. A little something. But that's that in a nutshell. Let me know in the comment section. Did you like the way I laced these SB Dunk lows, or you didn't? Anyway, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, a thumbs down if you didn't. Sneakerholicbeez, and I'm out.